What's up guys, my name is Phil. Welcome to Miranda Detailing, where we make satisfying detailing videos. In today's video, we're going to be looking at gloss black interior components, how to clean them and how to protect them. All right guys, so we're going to be talking about a very interesting area inside certain vehicles. Now, not every vehicle has this. There are some nicer vehicles, some newer vehicles that have what some call a piano black gloss panel. Now here in this 2016 Honda Pilot, we have that. So I thought it was a perfect opportunity to show you guys how to clean these delicate areas and show you how to protect them, which is kind of an unorthodox way of doing it, but nonetheless, it works. Now, when you're dealing with these gloss black panels, you have to be very delicate. These can scratch very easy. Now, you've seen us work on the gloss black pillars on the exterior of the vehicle, the B pillars, the C pillars. On some of the vehicles, those black gloss pillars just get wrecked, mostly because people are always handling them, always touching them, and it's a sensitive area, so it needs to be polished out all the time. And really the best way of protecting that would be to vinyl wrap it, or at least apply a ceramic coating. But again, that doesn't really protect from scratches and marring over a long period of time. So let's look at some of the tools to use when cleaning these areas. Now again, this one was not in bad shape. It just needed some light cleaning, but if it is in bad shape, then you have to be delicate because you can scratch these areas. And if you do scratch them, well, you can polish them, but it just becomes that much more difficult because you're dealing with the interior of the vehicle. Now, first things first, you want to make sure that whatever is going to touch this area is going to be clean and soft. So nice plush microfibers and nice soft brushes. So guys, any of the products that you see here that we're going to show you, you can purchase at carguysupplies.com. So I'll have all the links to them down below. Go check them out right now because they have an awesome online store and they carry a ton of detailing products, including Meguiar's, AM Details, Lithium, G-Technic, CarPro, just to mention a few. So definitely go check them out. So one of the things that you can use to detail these areas is a nice soft boar hair brush. So make sure that it's a nice new brush, that it's nice and clean. And if you do need to clean it, then wet the brush, clean it, dry it out, make sure that it's completely dry. And what you're going to use this for is dusting that area. So you can dust it, you can use the vacuum to suck up any of the dust on the brush as well. But make sure to clean up all that area first, get all the dust out of there. And you can also use a microfiber towel. If you just want to use this, you can do that also. But now we're going to clean the area. So we're going to choose Lithium because it's a really awesome cleaner. It's a pH neutral solution, so it's not going to leave any type of residue, especially on that black gloss. So you're going to see that we use the Lithium combined with the brush. We do wet the brush at this point. That way you can get into some of those tight areas around the buttons and clean that area up really well, and then use your soft, clean microfiber towel to mop up any of the residue from there. But this cleaner is great. It didn't leave any type of residue on the black gloss at all. So now from there, once everything is cleaned, and if you don't need to polish, we didn't need to polish in this case because it was in great condition. There weren't really any scratches or even swirling on this black gloss. But what we are going to do is protect it. So since it is a glossy black surface, just like the B pillars on your vehicle, then we can use a wax or sealant to protect it. So we have a couple of choices. Now, you don't have to use these. I'm just using these as an example because you can buy these on the online store. You can use a carnauba wax like this. This is Lithium's Gloss Sauce. And again, it's just a cream formula. You can apply it with a microfiber applicator, wipe it off, and you have a nice shiny glossy surface that actually beads water and is protected. Or you can go with a stronger sealant, and this one is AM Details Ceramic Hybrid Wax. So this stuff is a little tougher and it's easy to apply, just like the cream formula wax. You just use a microfiber applicator. Make sure to cover every square inch of the black gloss area. Don't overlap it into any other plastics or anything like that. Just be very delicate and very careful about applying the product. Let it sit up for a couple of minutes, and then you just wipe it off with your clean microfiber towel. I've talked about this stuff before. I love it. It smells so good. So when you're using it in your vehicle, it actually makes your interior of the vehicle smell like bubblegum. It really does smell nice. Now this stuff, again, using a wax or a sealant will protect that black gloss. Now, is it going to protect it from scratches and swirling? No. If you want to vinyl wrap it, that would be a way of really protecting it, but it is going to make it so much easier to clean. It'll make it nice and slick. If coffee or food or anything gets on there, it can easily be cleaned off. So that's really why you're trying to protect that black gloss area. It's not so much to protect it from scratches and swirls and things like that, but perhaps finger smudges and grease and grime that may build up over time. This will protect it and make it so much easier to clean up. So guys, that was just a quick example on how to clean the interior glossy black panels of your vehicle. Now, maybe we'll get a vehicle later on that has the same glossy black surfaces in there, but maybe they're a little scratched and swirled, and we'll show you how we can polish those areas and reduce the scratches and swirling in there. Guys, you can buy any of these products at carguysupplies.com. I'll have all the links down below. Definitely go check them out. If you want to check out the other how-to videos that we have, I'll have some listed below, or you can click on the card here that goes to a playlist with a ton of how-to videos on all sorts of subjects. Again, if you're enjoying the videos, enjoying the content, then consider subscribing and clicking that bell. That way you get notifications each time our videos drop each week and you don't miss stuff. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great week. Take care.